John Travolta fan?
Yeah, actually, your story made me just really grateful that I was born in the 80s. But John Travolta, yeah, he's good. Yeah, I like Grease, and obviously Pulp Fiction's one of the best films ever.
Yeah.
But he's a bit past it now, isn't he?
Yeah, a little bit.
You know, once a guy hits about 55, these days he might break one.
Start with the consonant, please.
Thank you. Start today with N.
Vowel.
E.
Now a consonant.
P.
And a vowel.
U.
And a consonant.
C.
And a vowel.
A.
And a consonant.
R.
And a consonant.
T.
And a consonant.
And lastly, Q. Colin.
Consonant, please.
Thank you. Start with N.
Consonant.
M.
One more.
D.
Vowel, please.
I.
Another one.
O.
Another one.
E.
Another one.
Another O.
Consonant.
P.
Another consonant, please.
And the last one, L. Colin. R.
Another one.
F.
One more.
C.
Vowel, please.
E.
Another one.
U.
Consonant.
N.
Consonant.
T.
Vowel.
A.
And a final consonant, please.
And a final B. Thank you, Colin. I.
Another one.
E.
Consonant.
H.
Consonant.
S.
Another one.
G.
One more.
P.
Vowel, please.
A.
Consonant.
N.
Final consonant, please.
And a final G. Thank you, Colin. T.
Another one.
L.
Another one.
V.
One more.
T.
And a vowel.
E.
Another one.
O.
Consonant.
S.
Vowel.
Another E.
And a consonant, please.
And a final L. Thank you, Ned. W.
And a vowel.
O.
And a consonant.
S.
And a vowel.
E.
And a vowel.
A.
And a consonant.
B.
And a consonant.
T.
And a vowel.
I.
And a consonant, please.
And finally, M. Thank you, Colin. X.
And a vowel.
O.
And a better consonant.
S.
Another one, please.
F.
A vowel, please.
E.
Consonant.
Y.
A vowel, please.
A.
Consonant.
N.
Final consonant, please.
And a final R.
It's Friday Night Fever in Manchester.